Well, it is a tricky question. A lot of people unfortunately do get caught in the trap because let's say I just spent $10,000 on a vacation and I'm like, oh, I want to get a couple of new suits. I want to go to nice places. It's really easy to spend money. We as humans, we like to spend money. It makes us feel good, right? It helps us fill the void for a lot of problems that we don't actually either know how to solve or even know that exist. Most of us, we don't know why we overspend. So, number one, have a goal, have a plan, understand why you're getting the 0% credit card. After me, everything you can, right? And ensure that you have somebody to help you, right? It's always good to have a partner, either it's your wife, your brother, your father. It doesn't matter who it is. Somebody else needs to know and understand what's going on with your money, how you spend your money, and help you stay on track. There are a lot of software products. Please try to use humans as well. Humans still are probably one of the best tools. The most important thing, just plan it and just have a plan. So if you're using it to repay your other debt or your other credit cards, have to make payments, right? So make sure you understand how long it will take you to pay back and calculate how much a monthly payment needs to be. So if you pay up, let's say $5,000, right? You want to probably pay it within 12 to 18 months, so they give you 0%. But just calculate what the payment is. If you cannot make that payment, it's okay, make a lower payment, but estimate it. Then have a plan to whatever is left, roll over to a different 0% rate and pay it off. But in the meantime, make sure you control how much you spend. It does not mean that you all of a sudden you start with 5,000 and then a year later you pay exact same amount, right? Or even more. You want to give yourself as much financial freedom as possible because in life, what happens, you have two choices. Either you pay the credit cards for the rest of your life because you want to just enjoy things that you don't need, or you have a plan and you invest that money every month. Just imagine if you invest a few $100 every month, you, an ordinary person, could become a millionaire. Just think about it. All credit cards are the same. So read the fine print. You have a great helper, ChatGPT. So what you can do, you can actually go to their website, copy and paste all of the rules for the credit card and to put it into your ChatGPT. And you can actually ask ChatGPT, help me decide which 0% credit card they want, right? And then give it some points, what is important to you. So you have to make sure that there are no hidden fees. Usually there always are, right? So there will be some kind of a transfer fee, and it might be like 4%, 5%, and that's okay because it's better than paying 27%. Also, read it because a lot of the times, let's say the transfer has to happen within 60 or 90 days. If it doesn't happen, you're not going to get that 0%. So make sure you understand all the rules. Use ChatGPT. It's amazing. If you don't want to use ChatGPT, just read it. It's usually in very small letters when they actually print, but on their website, they cannot get away with small print, right? So it's very easy to read. Spend a little bit of time. Talk to other people. Go join some forums where people talk about 0% credit card, right? But the most important thing of all is that you plan to pay for and should do.